Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Let's quickly revise all the important boundaries or borders which are asked frequently in different exams, and this is a quick revision video, so we will try to cover the video within 8 to 9 minutes. Examples are line of control between India and Pakistan, and Mason-Dixon line, which is a boundary line between 4 states of USA. So what are international boundaries? International boundaries are recognized by both countries, and they are well defined, and on the both side both countries have their legal jurisdiction. So those lines are called as international boundaries. And let's see, first one is 16th parallel line. It is between Namibia and Angola. Then 17th parallel line, South Vietnam and North Vietnam. Then 20th parallel line, it is between Libya and Sudan. 22nd parallel line between Egypt and Sudan. 25th parallel line between Mauritania and Mali. 31st parallel line, Iran and Iraq. This is a very important one. And 38th parallel line between South Korea and North Korea. These two are very important, as they has been asked in several exams. Then 49th parallel line between US and Canada. This is also very important. Then Durand line, it was between Pakistan and Afghanistan. It was created in 1893 between India and then Afghanistan, and when India got divided in 1947, then it became between Pakistan and Afghanistan. So Durand line is between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Then Hindenburg line between Poland and Germany. So it is between Poland and Germany, but it has become irrelevant after the Second World War, when Germany was defeated. So next one is McMahon line between India and China. It was drawn in 1914, but China does not recognize it, and there is an undefined LAC between India and China. The next one is Maginot line between Germany and France. This has been asked several times, Maginot line. So this is a very important one. Then Mannerheim line between Russia and Finland. Then Oder-Neisse line between Poland and Germany. Then Radcliffe line between India and Pakistan. It was created in 1947 during partition. So it is between India and Pakistan, and India and Bangladesh also. Then Siegfried line between France and Germany. Then Blue line between Lebanon and Israel. It is a very important one, and it has been asked recently in so many exams. Blue line between Lebanon and Israel. Then green line between Cyprus and Turkish Cyprus. Then purple line between Israel and Syria. So these two are very important. Blue line between Lebanon and Israel, then purple line between Israel and Syria. And let's see the different border names of between India and its neighboring countries. So this purple one between Pakistan and Afghanistan is Durand line, and it was created in 1893 between India and Afghanistan. At that point of time, Afghanistan was ruled by Amirs. So it was between India and Afghanistan, but after partition, it became a borderline between Pakistan and Afghanistan. And this both red line, these are Radcliffe line, which was between India and Pakistan and India and East Pakistan. But in 1971, it became a borderline between India and Bangladesh. So that's that. And then LAC is between India and China, and LOC is between India and Pakistan. So we see two types of border between India and Pakistan. First one is international border, which extends from Punjab to Gujarat, which is called as Radcliffe line. Then LOC, which was a ceasefire line in 1948 war, and then LAC, which was created after the 1961 war. It is like undefined, and that's why we see frequent skirmishes between Indian armed forces and Chinese armed forces. So, and this pink line here, this is called as McMahon line. It was drawn in 1914 between India and China, but China does not recognize this, and China claims Arunachal as part of Tibet. So that's all. The Durand line between Pakistan and Afghanistan, Radcliffe line between India, Pakistan, India and Bangladesh, McMahon line between India and China, LOC between India and POK, LAC between India and China. So that's all. I hope it was helpful. Do subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.